Hello, my dear listeners. I am glad you have joined me yet again for another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, Mwali wa Magi. In this lesson, we are going to focus on comparatives and superlatives. We are going to look at adjectives where we are going to give them their Kikuyu names and their comparatives and then their superlatives. In this lesson, the learner will be able to observe and learn the rules so that they are able to describe and make comparisons effectively in Kikuyu. Let's get started. Well, to compare in Kikuyu is kurigithania. Kurigithania. And there is no specific name for superlatives, so I'm just going to leave it at that. But the Kikuyus use mono, fio, makiria, nene, nyige, etc. to mean superlatives. In this lesson, do not worry because you are going to see all these words come to play to emphasize superlatives. We are going to start with the first adjective, which is good. Good in Kikuyu is Jenga. Jenga. And its comparative, which is better, is jegega. Jegega. And the superlative, which is best, is jegafiu. Jegafiu. So, in Kikuyu, jega, when it's get better, is jegega, and when it's at its best, is jegafiu. When comparing people, a good person is mondo mwega. Mondo mwega. While a better person is mondo mwegega. Mondo mwegega. And the very best person is mondo mwega fiu. Mondo mwega fiu. When comparing a good place is kodo kwega. A better place is kodo kwegega. And the very best place is kodo kwega fiu. Kodo kwega, kodo kwegega, kodo kwega fiu. When comparing things, something good is kiddo kiega. Something better is kiddo kiegega. And if it's the best thing there, then it is kiddo kiega fiu. So, kiddo kiega, kiddo kiegega, kiddo kiega fiu. Next we have big, which is nene. And when it gets bigger, then it's nena nene. And when it's at its biggest, it is nene fiu. So, big, nene, nena nene, nene fiu. When it comes to much, which is nyige in Kikuyu, more becomes nyigaige, while most become nyige fiu. Nyige, nyigaige, nyige fiu. So if it's a hot place that you are trying to compare, then a hot place is kodo kohio. A hotter place is kodo kohiu hahiohu. And the hottest place then becomes kodo kohiu fiu. Kodo kohio, kodo kohiu hahiohu, and kodo kohiu fiu. And when it comes to referring to people and things, you might want to use this example and the others that we used previously for good. On comparing hotness in a person, a hot person is modo mohio. Hotter person is modo mohio hahiuhu. And the hottest person is modo mohio fio. Modo mohio hahiuhu, modo mohio fio. On comparing hotness in people, and I'm hoping this time round it's on temperature, hot people is ado ahio. Hotter people is ado ahio hahiohu. And the hottest is ado ahio fio. Ado ahio hahiohu, ado ahio fio. Clever means mogi. A cleverer one then becomes muogoge, and the cleverest in the group then is moge fio. So, moge, muogoge, moge fio. When comparing strength, strong means hinya. Stronger is still hinya. And strongest becomes hinya fio. Hinya fio. New is jeru. Newer is jereru. And the newest is jerufio. Jeru, jereru, jerufio. If it's something that you are trying to compare, then a new thing is kiddo, quiero. Kiddo, quiero. While something newer then becomes kiddo, quiereru. Kiddo, quiereru. While the newest thing then becomes kiddo, quiero, fio. Kiddo, quiero, fio. Simple means hudo. Simpler is huda. And the simplest becomes hudo fio. Hudo, huda, hudo fio. If you are comparing the simplicity of something, then a simple thing is odo mohodo. Something simpler becomes odo mohodahodo. And the simplest of things is odo mohodo fio. Odo mohodo, odo mohodahodo, odo mohodo fio. The adjective young is jide. Younger is jida. And the youngest is jide fio. Jide, jida, jide fio. If it's a young person whom you are trying to compare, a young person is modo moede. A younger person becomes modo moedede. And the youngest person is modo moede fio. Modo moede, modo moedede, modo moede fio. Long is daihu. Longer becomes daihu. Longest becomes daihu fio. Daihu, daihu fio. So if you're trying to compare something long becomes kiddo kiraihu. Something longer becomes kiddo kiraiharaihu, and the longest thing becomes kiddo kiraihu fio. Kiddo kiraihu, kiddo kiraiharaihu, kiddo kiraihu fio. Heavy means dito. Heavier becomes ditadito, and heaviest is ditofio. Dito, ditadito, ditofio. On comparing something heavy is kiddo kirito. Something heavier is kiddo kiritarito. And the heaviest thing becomes kiddo kiritofio. Kiddo kirito, kiddo kiritarito, kiddo kiritofio. And if you are to compare a person, a heavy person is modo morito. A heavier person becomes modo moritarito. And the heaviest person becomes modo moritofio. The adjective beautiful is dhaka. More beautiful is dhaka. And most beautiful is dhakafio. Dhaka, dhakafio. When comparing beautiful things, a beautiful thing is kiddo dhaka. A more beautiful thing is kiddo dhaka. And something much beautiful is kiddo dhakafio. Kiddo dhaka, kiddo dhaka, kiddo dhakafio. The adjective ugly is jongi. Uglier is still jongi, and the ugliest in the group is jongifio. Jongifio. Comparing something ugly, an ugly thing is kiddo gisongi. An uglier thing is kiddo gisongasongi. And the ugliest in the group is kiddo gisongifio. Kiddo gisongi, kiddo gisongasongi, kiddo gisongifio. Sad is kieha. More sad still remains kieha, but saddest is kieha makiria. Kieha makiria. On comparing a sad thing is odo we kieha. A more sad thing still remains odo we kieha, and the saddest thing becomes odo we kieha makiria. Odo we kieha makiria. Short is guhe. Shorter is guhaguhe. Shortest is guhefio. Guhe, guhaguhe, guhefio. A short person then becomes modo mokuhe. Shorter person is modo mokuhakuhe. And the shortest person there becomes modo mokuhefio. Modo mokuhe, modo mokuhakuhe, modo mokuhefio. Bad is juru. Worse is jururu. And worst is jurufio. Juru, jururu, jurufio. A bad thing is kiddo kyuru. Worst thing is kiddo kyororu. And worst thing is kiddo kyurufio. Kiddo kyuru, kĩndũ kĩororu, kĩndũ kĩũru biũ. Slow is kahora. Slower is still kahora. And slowest is kahora fiu. Kahora, kahora fiu. A slow person is mondo we kahora. A slower person still remains mondo we kahora. But the slowest person is mondo we kahora fiu. Mondo we kahora. Mondo we kahora fiu. Wet is jigo. Wetter is jigaigo. And wettest is jigo fiu. Jigo, jigaigo, jigo fiu. Small is nini. Smaller, nina nini. Smallest, nini fiu. Nini, nina nini, nini fiu. On comparing things, a small thing is odo monini. A smaller thing is odo monina nini. And the smallest thing is odo monini fiu. Odo monini, odo monina nini, odo monini fiu. Old is guru. Older is Gura guru. And the oldest is guru fiu. Guru, Gura guru, guru fiu. Calm is horeru. Calmer is hora horeru. And calmest is horeru fiu. Horeru, hora horeru, horeru fiu. Rich is motogu. Richer is motogatogu. And the richest is motogu fiu. Motogu, motogatogu, motogu fiu. Far is kuraya. Father is kuraya raya. And the farthest is kuraya fiu. Kuraya, kuraya raya, kuraya fiu. Generous is Mohini. More generous still remains Mohini. And the most generous is Mohini makiria. Mohini makiria. Famous is gumo. More famous is still gumo. And the most famous is gumo makiria. Gumo makiria. Forgetful is keriganero. More forgetful is still keriganero. And the most forgetful is keriganero makiria. Keriganero makiria. Expensive is goro. More expensive is gora goro. Most expensive is goro makiria. Goro, gora goro, goro makiria. Kind is the. More kind is the. Most kind is the nyige. The nyige. Important is Fatah. More important is Fatah. Most important is Fatah makiria. Fatah, Fatah makiria. Dangerous is owati. More dangerous is owati. Most dangerous is owati munene. Owati, owati munene. Delicious is murio. More delicious is murio. And most delicious is murio makiria. Murio, murio makiria. And on that note, my dear listener, we have come to the end of our lesson, Comparatives. I hope you have learnt a great deal and you will join me again for another lesson just like this one. From me, it's goodbye.